Always, no matter what, right?
So, here in Clovis, California, we just installed a Bradford White URG 250H6N. It's a high recovery model. Warranty information is here. You can fill it out and send it to Bradford White, or you can go online to bradfordwhite.com, give them the serial number, model number, and then of course your name and address and all that good stuff, and they'll get you going on the warranty. Brand new shutoff valve here for the gas, brand new supply line on the gas. Lower third is the adjustable strap, upper third is the adjustable strap as per code, and that's part of the contract. Gas valve was not, and that's a freebie, so no big deal there. And then we opted to tie in the space heating to the outlets that they provided for space heating. So you can see upper and lower, we got brass coming out of the unit, dielectric union. We don't need dielectric union because it's brass to copper, but this just gives you a way to take the plumbing apart if you need to change out the tank. So that's a real nice feature right there and down at the bottom. So copper all the way up. We did put some isolation valves up here on the space heating. Those are Watts 3/4 inch full port quarter turn ball valves. Say that 3 times fast. That wasn't in the contract, but we wanted to isolate the water up here for the next plumber, you know, point of courtesy. Same thing on the hot and the cold over here. There's only one valve required up here on the cold side, not on the hot, but 2 stories tend to bleed down and spit out the hot side. So to change this water heater out, honestly, you just shut off these 4 valves, drain the thing down, everything's good. So everything is brass construction. So you've got the ball valves. I'm not sure why the camera went dark there, but you've got the ball valve, you got brass nipples, Falcon stainless steel connectors. Those are full 3/4 inch MegaFlow connectors, 3/4 by 15. We've been using those for a while, and they're great products, so no trouble with those. Additionally, we got a brand new vent in here. This was a 3-inch single wall up to a 3-inch dual wall, and it's required to have a 4-inch vent. So we pulled that all apart, got a 4-inch vent up here, dual wall vent. The reason why it's dual wall there is you need to be 6 inches away from the drywall before you can go to this thin wall pipe. So a little stubby piece of pipe there, adjustable 90 right here, tied back in, got the screws in. The burner is lit, the water is heating, everything looks good. We are set at hot, which is 120. Do not adjust this upward for any reason. If you feel you need to adjust this upward, there is risk of scalding, and you can read it right there. Scalding risk increases with hot water. So if you're having trouble getting hot water out of fixture in the home, like a shower or whatnot, you might need a cartridge replacement. So, you know, give us a call for that. If you're having troubles with your furnace not generating enough heat, then you may need to come back and put in a thermostatic balancing valve up top, which it would allow you to turn this up real hot, but also it's a mixing valve that goes up top on the hot and the cold. Hot goes in, cold goes in, and then it has a little adjustable dial and tempered water, similar to a shower valve. It'll temper the water to whatever you set it to, and that'll go in. That's that little device right here. We showed the homeowner that. Very expensive. It's a Watts, what do they call it? Hot temperature range from 80 to 120. So that gets you within the range of what you need inside the home for potable water. So anyways, installation is done. We'll stop gabbing. Everything looks good. We've checked for leaks. No leaks, no runs, no errors. Outside of that, this installation is done.